The cosmos is vast. It is filled with billions of galaxies. Each galaxy teems with billions of stars. Yet in all this immensity, we find no instruction manual. There is no cosmic rulebook dictating our purpose. We humans are left to grapple with the fundamental question: what does it mean to exist in a universe seemingly indifferent to our fate? This question is at the heart of existentialism. It's a philosophy born from the anxieties of the 20th century. It is a philosophy that urges us to confront the awesome responsibility of creating our own meaning in a world without predetermined purpose. Jean-Paul Sartre, a prominent existentialist philosopher, argued that our existence precedes our essence. In other words, we are born into this world without a predefined nature or purpose. It is through our choices and actions that we define ourselves. We become who we are by living our lives. There is no grand design, no divine plan. We are free to create our own destinies. Existentialism emerged in the wake of devastating world wars. It was a time of immense suffering. It was a time of profound disillusionment. Traditional values crumbled under the weight of unprecedented destruction. People grappled with the fragility of life. They questioned the existence of a benevolent God. Thinkers like Jean-Paul Sartre and Albert Camus witnessed the horrors of war firsthand. They saw the senselessness of violence. They saw the breakdown of traditional moral frameworks. From these ashes of despair, existentialism arose as a way to confront a world seemingly devoid of inherent meaning. Existentialism resonated with many who felt lost and disillusioned in the aftermath of war. It offered a philosophy of personal responsibility and freedom in a world where traditional structures of meaning had collapsed. Sartre's concept of existence precedes essence can be a bit difficult to grasp. It challenges our traditional understanding of purpose. Think of a simple penknife. A penknife is designed with a specific purpose in mind. The artisan crafts it with certain features to fulfill its intended function. Its essence, its purpose, precedes its existence. Humans, Sartre argues, are not like penknives. We are not born with a predefined purpose or essence. We are born into existence first, and then we create our essence through our choices and actions. We are like blank canvases. Our lives are the art we create on them. This idea of existence precedes essence is central to existentialist thought. It underscores the radical freedom we possess. It highlights the responsibility we bear for the choices we make. Section 4. The weight of freedom. No God, no excuses. The absence of a God for Sartre was not a cause for despair. It was a call to embrace our freedom. If there is no divine plan, then we are truly free to define our own values and live authentically. However, this freedom comes with a profound responsibility. We are accountable for every choice we make. Sartre rejected deterministic views that diminish human agency. We are not puppets controlled by fate. We are not products of our environment. We are free agents. We have the power to shape our own destinies. This radical freedom can be both exhilarating and terrifying. It means that we are the authors of our own lives. We have the power to create meaning and purpose, but it also means that we bear the full weight of our choices. There are no excuses. Section 5. The Student's Dilemma, a case for existential choice. To illustrate the challenges of existential choice, Sartre presents the case of a young student facing a moral dilemma during World War II. The student is torn between staying with his ailing mother and joining the French resistance to fight against Nazi oppression. There is no easy answer. Both choices carry significant weight. This dilemma highlights the complexities of existential decision-making. There are no pre-existing moral codes to guide us. We must choose our own values and live with the consequences of our actions. The student's dilemma underscores the existentialist emphasis on personal responsibility. We cannot rely on external authorities or predetermined moral frameworks. We must make our own choices and own the consequences. Section 6. Embracing the absurd, a life worth living. The universe may be indifferent to our fate, but that doesn't mean our lives are meaningless. Existentialism encourages us to embrace the absurdity of existence. It urges us to find meaning in the face of a universe devoid of inherent purpose. We create meaning through our actions, our relationships, and our engagement with the world. We find purpose in the pursuit of our passions, in our contributions to society, and in the love and connections we forge with others. Existentialism is a call to action. It is a call to live authentically. It is a call to create meaning in a world that often seems meaningless. It is a call to embrace the absurdity of life with courage and grace.